Hey, AP Human Geography students, congratulations, guys, on completing Unit 8 and Unit 9. We are all done with content for AP Human Geography in your 9th grade year. Here's the deal, though. We have to look at what's going on next, and that is on May 12th, you have an AP Human Geography exam to prepare for. And so over the next few weeks, we have prepared 8 days, 7 different lessons to help you review and kind of get some of the ideas out there of what this test may be like for you. So let's go ahead, guys, and take a look at what we might see here coming up. So if you take a look, click on the AP exam review folder. Let's take a look in there and see what we've got set up for you. You can see the first 2 days, guys, we've set up, everything's pretty self-explanatory. We've given you a lot of detail, a lot of explanation on each of these folders. The first day is going to be looking at AP Human Geography, some of the course and exam descriptions that come off of the information that we use to teach the class. And it's going to help you kind of go through and identify those areas that you might need a little bit more information or a little bit of knowledge to help kind of fill in some of the gaps that we've had over the year for yourself. All right, so you're going to go through that, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Read the directions, follow through, and we're giving you 2 days to work on that one. So the first 2 days here, April 29th and April 30th, to work on that. As we move forward, guys, you can see day 3. I did leave a piece of information there for you in the update that, yes, I know that there's technically no school in Minnesota on May 1st and May 4th. That's up to you. You don't have to work on those things on those days, but we are going to continue to put lessons out on those days for you because we have just 14 days until the AP exam if you are watching this on Wednesday the 29th. So we are going to continue to go on. We are held to the account of the College Board, and they are not part of the state of Minnesota. So we're going to continue teaching this information for you. So if we take a look, guys, at day 3, these are kind of filling in some of the gaps that may show up in the development and urban units. I know they're not technically being tested on the AP exam, but there are some things that will apply from those units into what you may need to know that is going to be tested. So there's a video clip to watch from David Palmer. He's one of our human geography gurus that we know. And then there's also some highlights from some of our information that we've done to kind of go back through and refresh your memory on some of those important things. All right. If we look at day 4 on May 4th, we're going to kind of look at models and review some of those models and theories that we've talked about all throughout the year that are really important that will be applicable to the AP exam for you. May 5th is looking at some of the basics of FRQs, going back to some of the basics and remembering, hey, there's a certain way to write these things. We are looking at analyzing things, and we are trying to figure out scale of analysis, map scale, things like that. So go back, guys, watch those FRQ basics and kind of look through that information. There's a little activity for you there as well. Day 6 on May 6th is looking at the College Board FRQ activity. There's a little activity to go through and work on there for you again to get a little bit more practice writing the FRQs. Remember, the one way we can help you do well on this exam is for you to be a better writer on this exam, especially now that's just all FRQs. All right, day 7 is on May 7th. We're going to be looking kind of back at 2 of the units that were from a long time ago. We did this Unit 2 Population Migration first trimester. We did Unit 4 Agriculture second trimester. It's been a long time since we've done that information. So a little bit of information for you to go back and kind of help refresh those units for yourself. And then finally, the last one, guys, day 8. You can either do it on May 8th. Technically, Fridays are catch-up days. So if you don't want to do it on Friday, you can do it on the Monday after, May 11th. And that is one last final practice FRQ test for you. Practice testing yourself in similar fashion to what you're going to be doing on May 12th at 3 p.m. If you have any questions about any of the information, guys, on here or one of these days is confusing to you, feel free to email me so you can get information so I can help you out. But follow along, guys. This is the time. We would be doing this if we were in class as well. This is the time where you will be able to study and really hopefully get yourself prepared for that AP exam. All right. If you have any questions, guys, email me, message me on Schoology, and good luck. Stay safe. We'll talk to you again soon.